Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will update you about how logging, monitoring, and debugging can be made easy using the Gemini Cloud Assist. Normally, in every logging scenario, we will manually write the queries and try to find the what happened to our services. If the same thing can be done using the single prompt, you will get the help of the prompt and just write a query to the instead of writing a query to the prompt, I just write a single prompt to the Gemini and will provide you the output as you required. How easy for you to get the logs. Let's discuss, right? Let me share my screen. Right, we will discuss some PPT, then we will discuss do some practical also, right? Okay. I hope my screen is visible to you. Yeah. Let me take to the beginning. So what we are discussing here, logging with Gemini Code Assist. Mostly probably we will most of time we will discuss about the logging because it's a very important. Whenever any service get down, we will always look for the logs. And logging with Gemini Code Assist becomes so easy so that with a single prompt you can able to find the how logs can be generated for the particular service. So the other topic is how logging can be easy with the Gemini Code Assist and using AI to simplify the observability, right? While logging matter, as you all know, common challenge in the logging, role of AI in improving the developer productivity. This is the introduction, right? So in introduction, main things we will cover why logging matters, common challenge in the logging, role of AI in improving the developer productivity. What is Gemini Code Assist? When we talk about the Gemini Code Assist, it is the AI-powered coding assistant. Help us in observability, debugging, and logging. Understand the context and suggest optimized logs. That means it will understand our prompt and just optimize logs. We'll provide more detail on this. Okay. We will we will deep discuss in the Gemini Code Assist when once we do the practical. How Gemini simplify logging. Auto generate structured log, suggest log levels. It's a basically if you know the log level, it's a default, debug, info, warning, error. So it will suggest all these things. Identify the missing logs in the code path. It will identify the missing logs in the code path. Suggest correlation ID of for traceability. So you have a when you go to cloud trace, you have a correlation IDs for tracing of your services. How service latency can be traced using the cloud trace. Add context rich logs, ensure alignment with the Google Cloud logging with best practice. Always ensure there should be best practice to follow. That's why Gemini codes just help you in providing the logs that follow the best practices. Right? Reduce noise by recommending log aggregation pattern. It will provide you human readable form. Work seamlessly with the cloud logging, generate log-based metric automatically. So you just provide the your requirement, it will provide you the query through which you can create the log-based metric. Improve SRE workflow. Benefits faster debugging, improved application reliability, reduce operational overhead, and higher developer productivity. So when I talk about the conclusion, the Gemini courses make observability easier. Automate logging best practices. Improve your debugging and monitoring experience. That means a tool that make your observability, that make your logging, that make your debugging easier. So that will create a magic for you. So let's do some practical on this part, right? Let me take me you to the here. So in this case, the practical I am doing for you, I have a cluster ready for you, right? So no need to create cluster, right? So I have already logged into the cluster, right? So if a kubectl get nodes, you can able to find I have a two node cluster. So kubectl uh, uh, get pods, yeah, right? We have pods, and after that I will take you kubectl get deploy. So we have a pod, we have a deployment. Let me introduce some bug inside the deployment, right? Let me kubectl edit deploy, right? So intentionally, what I will change the image name, right? An image is not present in any of the your artifact registry or somewhere, right? So so it will give me the image pullback error, right? I just added one. So here this case, so what I have done, so I have intentionally added some bug inside that, so that whenever do the kubectl get pod, you are able to see that I am getting this message. My particular pod is in the not able to pull the image. It is happened 12 seconds ago, right? So kubectl logs. So okay, it is getting the basic slot. Let me go to a logging and try to find that log with the help of code assist. Let me, this is my, I have just, right? I will provide the prompt, right? To the code assist. I am a SRE engineer. I am looking for recent logs for resource. Let me copy here from the source type this one, right? Resource. 1 second, let me able to copy or not. Let me copy here, else you can type it, no worries. Let me see if it's able to copy me. No, okay, no worries. Resource kids underscore pod and cluster name is cluster hyphen one. Cluster underscore name is cluster hyphen one. Right here, I need to adjust a time because that's very, very important, right? I will ask for the for whole today, right? So I will just write in. So here you can see in the below, it is compiling the data and provide me the logs of the. So I do not write any kind of resource query over here. I just provide a simple prompt to the code Gemini code assist to find a log for me. Just you can see. Oh, so it has provided me the log, the most critical identify the image pullback. You can see over there. Additionally, there is a numerous Kubernetes APIs that request to update operation for the leaf. This is they are generally routine operations. So, but he has given me the intentionally error which I put over there. You can see over there with a timestamp. You can able to see here. Okay. So guys, so in this way, so this can help in finding the logs in a more better way. You can find over there. We no need to be go and search over there. You can see it with the particular timestamp. He has provided the everything on date 11/15/2014 253. That error sync pod, right, failed to start container, and after that it has provided me in 250 and 54th second we have get an error pull message, right. So after that he told me we have a backup of this. So I can ask him, okay, based on this, can I have a query based on these. So like tomorrow, if I want to create a log based metric, if we find any kind of these words in our logs, so you just send alerts. So I will ask him, can you please help me with query for log explorer or explo explo or for alert policy based on keywords like image pullback and image image pull back off and back of pulling image, or with or not and or back of pulling image. So I ask him, so I need to create alert based on whatever things come to me, right? So it will provide me the alert. It will provide me the query that I can go and create a log based alerts. Let me find, does it provide me? You can see over there. Yeah, it has provided me the query. If I copy this query and I will run this over here, you can able to see, yes, you have a result available with you. Yeah, you can see results are loading for the specific time and everything, right? Oh, let me look for, is there any warning or error? Yeah, you can see over there. Yeah, yes. It has provided me. Yeah, you can see over there. Image pullback. So in next lecture, so we will do, we will create a alert, right? Next video, we will create an alert based on this. So this is the power of Gemini CLI code assist, which is powered by Gemini. So just you can ask your logging details, ask your requirement in the code assist while finding the log. It will provide you the logs, each and everything for the required time frame, whatever you want. It can help you in generating query for Log Explorer, even for your alerts also. So thank you guys. So for this is specific. Kindly like and subscribe the channel. If you, I will keep recording more videos for the learning purpose. Thank you.